In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a property in HubSpot. We'll walk through this step by step, making it simpler and easy to follow. Creating a property is essential for organizing your data and customizing your HubSpot setup, and you'll soon find that it enhances your productivity. So let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot user guide. This is your starting point for navigating through the menus we'll be working with today. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on Settings. What this does is open up the control center for all your HubSpot configurations, allowing you to tweak your settings to suit your organization's needs. After you've clicked on Settings, the next thing you'll need to do is click on Properties. This section is where you manage all the customizable fields in your HubSpot account. Here you can see existing properties and modify them as needed. It's a central hub where you can make your data more structured and useful. Now, let's create a new property. Within the Properties section, you should see an option to Create Property. Click on that. This will prompt you to start building a new property, which is essentially a new data field that you can fill in with information relevant to your contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, whatever suits your business objectives. Next, proceed to click on Property Label. This is where you define what this new property is about. Consider what sort of data you want to collect or track, and give it a name that conveys its function clearly. This label will serve as a simple yet effective descriptor for when you or your team is working within HubSpot. Naming it correctly can save a lot of time and confusion later on. Following that, you will need to select the object type. This action determines where this property will be applicable. HubSpot offers various object types like contacts, companies, or deals. Selecting the right object type is crucial because it ties your property to the data classification system inside HubSpot, ensuring that all your properties are organized and associated with the right elements. And there you have it. You've now navigated through the menus in HubSpot to create a new property. This process allows you to tailor your data collection to fit the specific needs of your organization, making your HubSpot experience more personalized and efficient. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember, once you've become familiar with these steps, creating properties becomes a quick and simple task, giving you more time to focus on what you do best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your HubSpot experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.